Hey guys, it's me, Shannon, and this is the second song, and I'm going to be singing Oh Danny Boy, and I'm sorry if I mess up. My throat is still sore, but let's do this. Sorry if I mess up. Okay. Oopsies. Okay. Oh Danny Boy, the pipes are calling from glen to glen and down the mountainside. The summer's gone and all the roses falling. It's you must go and I must bide. But come ye back when summer's in the meadow, and when the valley's hushed and white with snow. It shall be here in sunshine or in shadow. Oh Danny boy, I love you so. But come, and all the flowers are dying. If I am dead, as dead I will maybe. You'll come and find the place where I am laying, and kneel and say and Ave there for me. And I shall hear the soft dew tread above me, and all my grief shall warm and sweeter be. For you will bend and tell me that you love me, and I shall sleep in peace until you come to me. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!